Hello everyone, today's LeetCode problem is 2785, sort vowels in a string. What does this question says? It states that you are given a string that consists of the characters of different ASCII values, right? Or either same. So we have to arrange the vowels in ascending order and consonant as non-touched. Like suppose we have given a LeetCode and this is a string and we have E, we have this E and we have this O and this also E as vowels, right? But these are the other rest are consonant like L, T, C, D. These are the consonants. So what we have to do, we have to not touch any of the consonants and we have to rearrange themselves according to the ASCII values, right? So we have alphabetical ASCII values lesser than the ABCD of ASCII values of the smaller ABCD. So what we're gonna do, we are going to do something which detects the number of or the you can say the vowels. So we have to make this as a blank here, to also blank here, C, T, C and dash, D and dash. So after rearranging themselves in ascending order, we will get E and then we can go O, then E and E. This will be the sorted form in ascending order of the ASCII values. So we have to fill in themselves. So E, O and E and E. So this will be our result. So how we gonna do that? Let's see. So what we gonna do? Here the approach we can say here. First we have to make something like bool which checks the vowel. Is vowel or that not vowel? Right, is vowel or not. This will check the variability of the vowel. This will consist of all the elements like A, B, C, A, E, I, O, U and also a smaller one A, E, I, O, U. This will act as a function, private function that will act as a boolean function. So what we gonna do next? We will go through each element. We will make a for loop that will go like X character X in what we have given. We are giving as a string. So we will go in each character checking is vowel or not. If it is vowel, that character every C. So if it is vowel, then what we will do? We will push them in a vector. We will create a vector. Suppose we say V. So we will push this as a, if it is a vowel, then we will push in this vector. After this pushing vector, we will get all the elements of this as a string, like all the vowels in the string as random order as we approach through this for function. So we will get all the orders like O, E and E. This will be our vector V. Now after that we're gonna sort them, right? V dot begin to V dot end. We will sort them, and now after sorting this we got our vector according to the ASCII values like EE. This will be our the final vector. Earlier it was like E, O, E. Earlier it was this vector, but now after sorting we got this vector and it is already in ascending order. Now we have to make something integer like index, we can say. Now after making the index, we have to again loop for the giving a string. So we will loop something like and C to S where is vowel. If this will be the if condition, if is vowel, then we have to change that character of the C to the element of the vector. So vector of the index, and that will be plus plus after it goes beyond that. So let's code it up if you understood.